I am Mamita Kamarov, student of KMRS Raikia, Kondhamad, Odisha. Today is auspicious day for us. Today, 28th February, known as National Science Day. We also celebrate our National Science Day in our school.
Good afternoon to all. I am Rahul Pradhan, class 8, student of KMRS Raikia, Kondhamad, Odisha. Today is auspicious day for us. Today is 20th February, National Science Day. We celebrate National Science Day in our school. Let's come in our science exhibition hall.
Please come with us. तुम कटेन को
This is our garden.
This is our principal chamber. So welcome him. Today is our National Science Day. We also celebrate it. Please come to our science lab and welcome to our science lab.
Okay, thank you. Let's go.
Good afternoon, sir. Very good afternoon. This is our English sir. Sir, welcome to in our science exhibition hall.
Okay, thank you.
This is our plant. We drink safety and pure water.
This is our isolation room. Our Rodia madam is here.
And we also welcome him. May I come in, ma'am?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Ma'am, today is National Science Day. We welcome you. Please come and
Our science exhibition hall.
How is your preparation? Good.
Yes, sir.
this is our science lab. We enter it and see some type of items. Please come. Here are some students. Good afternoon to all. Myself, Varnapurna Pradhan. Myself, Pankaj Digar. We are studying in class 8. We are from KMRS Raikia. So this is the geometry box. What are in this box? We will show you. So this is a protractor. This is a compass. This is a ruler. And this is a divider. This is a set square. And this is also a set square. This is a duster.
So why we use? What is it used?
These instruments are used for mathematical operation.
Okay. Next.
Good afternoon to all. Myself, myself, Jinri Malik. Myself, Navita Pradhan. We are studying in 8th class from KMRS Raikia.
What is this?
This is a skeletal system.
What is skeletal system?
The skeletal system is a combination of various bonds of members. These bonds in skeletal system is joined by ligament.
Bonds are provide support and protection of organ in human body.
This is called skeleton.
We will say about different joints of skeleton.
This is called fixed joint. This is called ball and socket joint.
This is called hinge joint.
Hinge joint. Hinge joint. Please show.
This is called hinge joint.
Total skeletal system. How are you, students?
We are fine, sir.
Very good. What are these? starfish. This is starfish.
This is Pila.
Okay, this is phenomenon.
Yes.
Very good. It's our instance law. This prawn. It's earthworm. Illa. What is this? It is starfish. Okay. So you please describe it. Your parts. What are these parts?
This is called skull. This is called shoulder blade. This is called head. This is called spine. This is called femur. This is called tino. This is called fibula. This is called tibia. This is called torus. This is called
So,
mandible.
okay, students. Very good. So you are reading skeletal system. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Okay. So our labs. These items are in our lab. Okay. We saw it in one by one. Total. What are the different items are in our lab? Some chemicals are there. This is weight machines. Okay. So let's go to this term.
Good afternoon to all. Myself Anand Prakash and I study in 9th class. So good afternoon to all. I am Devashish Naik. I am studying class 9 in Cameras Radio. So today is the National Science Day. So I wish you a happy National Science Day. So I am going to explain about the solar cooker. So this is the device. Here is the mirror of the device, and there is a surface where the force will be cooked. And this device uses the direct sunlight.
Directly sunlight inside. Okay. What is the advantage?
So
What are the advantages?
This device, there is not requirement of any cooking gas or
Electricity. So without electricity, we can cook food. Okay. Thank you. Let's go to next. Next.
Good afternoon, friends. Myself, Syam Mazesset. I am from 9th class.
My name is Ramalik, 9th class.
So, friends, today is National Science Day. We'll show some parts of microscope. So, which is available in our school. So, friends, microscope. First, we know what is the meaning of microscope. Micros means so small, and scope is look at all. Friends, compound microscope. Compound microscope is an instrument which is used to see small object which we cannot see in naked eyes. Friends, जहाँ कि हम चतुर्पार्श्व रे चारियारे ऑर्गेनाइजिंग जाको रहउछन जहाँ कि हम खाली आखिरे देखा जाई न थाए जहाँ पर सेटा देखिया पई हमें माइक्रोस्कोप यूज करथाउ. So I request my friends to show compound of parts of microscope.
Hello friends, I will show compound of microscope parts. So friends, see, it is a lens. What is friend? It is a lens. So friend, it is eyepiece. Friend, it is cross adjustment. Friend, it is a fine adjustment. And it is a compound of microscope body. And it is a adjective lens. So friend, it is a eye and it is a stage. Friend, what is this? Can you see? It is slide. So friend, it is base and it is a civil.
Okay.
I request my friends explain in Odia.
So friends, This is eyepiece, and it is 10x lens, and another is 15 lens. एटा दिटा 15x गुड अछि आ 10x लेंस अछि जोटा कि हम दुटा भितर जोटा भी गोटे यूज करिना हम देखि पारिया। फ्रेंड्स एटा होछि आईपीएस रो काम कोन जहा कि हम आखि पाखु को करिना देखि थाउ तेनु करी एया को आईपीएस बोली कुआ जाय। तो नेक्स्ट होछि बॉडी ट्यूब एटा होछि बॉडी ट्यूब एटा माइक्रोस्कोप रो मेन पार्ट बोली मोदी कुआ जाय। एटा होछि कोर्स असेसमेंट एंड अनदर इज फाइन असेसमेंट। एटा को कोर्स असेसमेंट एंड फाइन असेसमेंट को ए बॉडी ट्यूब हैंडल करता है जहा फल कि ए बॉडी ट्यूब को मेन पार्ट मध्य कुआ जाय माइक्रोस्कोप रो। तो फ्रेंड्स एटा होछि फाइन असेसमेंट 10x वाला and another is 40x वाला fine assessment. So friends it is होछि arm जोड़ा कि हमें गोटे स्थान रु अन्य स्थान को नेबा के हमको सहायक होई है। This is होछि civils.
Very good.
Civils जोड़ा कि
So can you define what is compound microscope?
Compound microscope is an instrument which is used to see small object which we cannot see naked eye. जोड़ा कि हमको खाली हाथ रे देखा जाय न थाए सेटा हमको देखिया पे हम compound microscope रे हम जा द्वारा हम देखि थाउ।
Very good.
This is civil means हम जो स्टार्टिंग में देखि थाउ आ civil द्वारा हम बसी कि में एंटी करी ना देखि पारिबा। तो एटा होछि बेस कोन कि ए जो माइक्रोस्कोप रे पाद कहले अत्युत्य होबनी ए पाद द्वारा एटा स्टैंड होई थाए। सो फ्रेंड्स आम वीडियो जब भल लगे लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करेंगे। नेक्स्ट एपिसोड रे हम एटा किपर यूजेस करा जाय नेक्स्ट एपिसोड रे आपण मानकु निश्चय देखैबो।
Okay. Next time. Very good luck. Okay. देखो let me speed up. Take you and you come. Non-stop. Continue.
नमस्कार।
되잖아요. This one.
धड़ी देखा दे दो बुझा बुझा बुझा